Okay guys, eyes are done, foundation's done, but I've got some serious dark circles. That is where P2, Picture Perfect foundation comes in. I'm gonna use the tiniest amount, apply it with our concealer brush, and I'll tap it along my cheekbone and work my way up to my under eye. And I just keep patting until the edges are all blended out. I'll also use it for a little highlight down the center of the nose. Create a fuller upper lip, and I'm blending those areas either with a Beauty Blender sponge or a clean flat foundation brush. And then I'm setting it with our Cream Puff loose powder, also on a flat foundation brush.